Nirmala College of Pharmacy was founded in 2004 by the Congregation of Catechist Sisters of St. Anne. Now it is positioned as one of the premier postgraduate and research institutions accredited by NAC, imparting D.Pharm, B.Pharm, PharmD, M.Pharm, with 4 specializations and PhD programs. As strong believers in team play, our focus is on collaboration instead of competition, resulting in national and international moves to foster teaching learning, research through faculty-student exchange, consultancy, and training programs. The 4 pillars of Nirmala College of Pharmacy are: learned faculty members are committed to excellence in teaching and research, outstanding infrastructure, state-of-the-art research facilities, and meritorious students. The institution has its own spectacular buildings with spacious, well-equipped, sophisticated laboratories, classrooms, and other facilities as per the norms and standards of the Pharmacy Council of India. We have a preclinical studies laboratory which has been approved by Animal Ethical Committee. Nirmala College has been successful in providing and maintaining high quality in both teaching and research in pharmaceutical sciences. Our incubation and innovation cell focuses on entrepreneurship development among students. The outcomes of the research are translated into research publications and presentations both on national and international platforms. Several of our inventions have been patented. The structured moves with industrial and academic collaborators enable the college to provide consulting services in all facets of pharmaceutical sciences and practice. Major research grants from national funding agencies reveal the quality of the research at this college. The college also conducts staff development programs, seminars, conferences, and workshops at both national and international levels in various fields of pharmaceutical sciences and practice for knowledge sharing. Guest lectures and seminars are an integral part of all curricula. To facilitate this state-of-the-art technology, an auditorium equipped with the latest audio and video equipment and having a seating capacity of 400 has been provided for seminars and guest lectures. On campus, Nirmala College of Pharmacy has provided a girls' hostel, a cafeteria, a gym, a playground, and a guest house.